So of course, 2 days after filming and uploading my review of the Arylic B50 here, the CEC power on function started working basically on every power on. So there I hit the main power of the Roku TV and you see the purple light is on. That means that CEC is enabled, and you can hear it's coming out of my speakers, not the TV speakers. So powered off, it'll go off, power back on. There it goes, back on. So now with this working just fine on every power cycle, I'm gonna upgrade the Frugality grade to this Arylic B50 amplifier here to a very solid A.